Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRPX. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't think I've done this one ever. If I have, it's been a long time ago. But regardless, I don't mean to state the obvious here. Crazy price movement today. Biggest volume that the chart has seen for quite a while. I mean, you look down here, and it's not even close. So well above average volume. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance going into the next few days. First key level of support to keep an eye on going forward is going to be the pink line right there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is up above it, ideally you want to see the price stay above it, assuming of course you're bullish. And so far so good. In fact, that was essentially where the bounce point right here occurred from this morning on the pullback. However, you fast forward to the end of the day, and once again the price is getting right around this area, so keep an eye on that. Again, right now valued at $5.24, but remember that is a moving average, so that value will change with time. In the event the price cannot hold above the pink line, at that point I would keep an eye on the purple line right there, which is the 50 period simple moving average. Again, a moving average. So currently that value is at 478, but that line and value will change over time. So these are going to be the two key levels of support going into tomorrow. In the event that the price starts to turn around and head back up, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, key general area seems to be right here at about $6.10. Not once, but on two separate occasions, the price tried to get up above there after falling below it after the initial 30 minutes and couldn't quite do it. So 610 seems to be that key area of resistance going forward. And that's going to be the only one I focus on, because right now, top priority in my opinion is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. Right now, it's all about going through a health consolidation and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases begin to be built over time, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations, building higher lows, then you can just sit back and let the overall chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.